Is this baby live? We are live. Yep. All right. Let's go. What's going on, crypto fam? Welcome back, everybody. All right. It's looking like some pretty good, pretty solid bullish news today for the crypto world, or just the overall market in general, right? So first off, hope you're having a wonderful Wednesday morning. I'm surprised I'm even up this early. I'm not an early morning person, but nonetheless, hopping straight into it. The CPI report, what's going on, Cowbell? The CPI report is out right now. As you guys see right here on the right side, it says CPI report live. U.S. inflation eased to U.S. inflation eased to 8.5% in July. Stocks rally. So if you guys are looking at the crypto market right now, you may be seeing Bitcoin, Ethereum, a few other cryptos pumping right now. Yeah, it's because of the CPI report, pretty much, right? Even on this article, right, it says today's coverage, and we're off. All right, it says the Dow, S&P 500, and NASDAQ all open higher after closing in the red Tuesday. But now it says all eyes are on U.S. inflation, which eased slightly to an 8.5 annual rate. And then it says that is still close to a 4-decade high. But at this point, even a slight easing is enough to make investors happy for now anyway. And let me be the first to tell y'all, like, of course, even if we look over here on CoinGecko, we can see Bitcoin is above 24,000 right now, slightly above 24,000. Ethereum's been pumping like, whew. Ethereum's above $1,800 right now. The overall global cryptocurrency market is currently at 1.19 trillion dollars right now. Let me refresh it. Yep, is at 1.19 trillion, which is pretty awesome. But I feel like this is one of those things where, even though today, like this morning, is looking very bullish, very hyped, don't get too consumed into it and like don't start chasing green candles. And this is just my opinion. I feel like this is one of those things where we should like sit back and, you know, spectate the next couple of hours, the next couple of days, the next couple of weeks to see how the overall market is going to react to, you know, this, and then just also like another fact that there's still several other things that's happening in crypto, the overall market, that the economy, everything, right? So, but other than that, though, I'm not going to try to take any greatness or any celebration away from this. I mean, this is one of those things that we want to see. We want to see that the CPI reports are going lower as far as like the inflation, which is again at 8.5%. I'm on TradingView right now. Huge green candle for both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Let me see if I can make this a bit. By the way, welcome everybody. Hope you're having a smooth Wednesday. If you're in crypto, I'm assuming you're happy because, I mean, it's looking pretty nice right now, looking pretty juicy. But I would still love to see Bitcoin go above like 28,000 before I really start getting pumped. Let me push this out a little bit. Yeah, so at the top right here, this is Bitcoin at the top. I'm trying to make it zoom out a little bit more. Ethereum is at 1,840. I feel like you guys can see it pretty good. So as long as y'all can see it, then that's all that matters. But yeah, pretty good bullish news to wake up on in the morning. Also, I want to dive into BTFA. On top of that, BTFA, we had we had a few people, and it was like a whale that sold a good amount of BTFA tokens last night. But don't fear, right? Don't panic, don't fear, because the BTFA team, they didn't waste any time. At 7:40 in the morning, so pretty much exactly 1 hour ago, they posted this on Twitter. All right, let me go ahead and fix this a little bit. They posted this on Twitter, letting everybody know that they did a buyback. They did a $15,000 buyback. As you see right here, it says we have bought back 15K worth of BTFA tokens and swept the NFT floor from 0.03 to 0.08. And then they said also we have sent 600 apes to the burn wallet. And it's funny because like the last voice chat, the last like community update voice chat that they had, they were talking about like, well, Sway was talking about burning some of the NFTs and stuff. And then I feel like that sell-off that happened last night was definitely what drove them to even just do it like this morning, because they said that they were going to be doing it like sometime this week, but they woke up this morning, they didn't waste no time. So even if we go over here to the BTFA chart right now, again, like I said before, there was a whale. And keep in mind, like, I feel like some people always assume that like something bad is happening in the project whenever like a sale or like a huge sale or a couple like domino effect sales happen. They always think it's something wrong with the project, like, oh, is it rug pulling it up? That's not always the case, right? Like, it was literally just one whale that sold. I'll even come down here and show you. It was one huge whale that sold like 13 Ethereum worth of BTFA, right? 4.5 billion, which is a lot, right? It's a lot, especially just how where BTFA is like market cap wise and liquidity is. That's pretty big, a big sell. But for the team to already come out with a $15,000 buyback a few hours like after it happened, that's one of the things that make me, and I even posted this on Twitter, that's one of the things that make me sleep better at night, because in any other project, like if somebody was to sell a good amount and you see a red candle, a lot of other projects, you will wake up to this and it'll still be down. It's like it'll still be a huge red candle, and you just be like, damn, like is somebody going to buy the dip or something? Not with BTFA. BTFA, the team, like I said before, you guys can see the buys right here. They ended up doing, I see like a 0.5 Ethereum buy, 0.4 Ethereum, 1 Ethereum buy, 0.5 Ethereum, another 1 Ethereum, almost a 2 Ethereum buy. And then they pretty much just kept buying. Even a 4 Ethereum buy is right here. So the team again put $15,000 to drive the price back up, and there's a few other buys that also help put the price back up to 505. So that's pretty awesome for BTFA. This is the type of things that you want to see in a project. Like I said, for me, it helps me. It allows me to sleep a lot better at night. So shouts to the team in the community for doing that. And then also right here, they posted the burn transaction that you could pretty much track as far as the NFTs and stuff that they burned. So if you come here, you click on like the Etherscan on the Twitter, you can check that stuff out. The buyback transaction as well. What's going on? Junior 240 says, good morning, crypto fam. Good morning, JR. What's going on, man? Quilin Thomas in the building. Say good morning, Piers. Good morning. Good morning. Man, I love that ink. Say, yo, how we doing, fam? We're doing pretty good, man. Doing pretty good. I was looking forward to today because I wanted to see the CPI report, and excuse me, the fact that the CPI report again is at 8.5%. That's a range that people were looking for to, just being bullish or just having more of an incentive to like buy some crypto or whatever the case may be. So overall, I mean, I'm looking pretty good. It feels pretty good. What's going on, Vay? Says good morning from Hulk family. Yo, good morning, Vay. Shout out to the Hulk family. And then also moving over here, right? This is the floor price of the BTFA NFTs. Again, like they said, they swept the floor price. I believe it went from 0.03 to 0.08. So that's pretty awesome. They literally almost tripled the floor price of the NFTs. So that's pretty solid. And then Clearcryptos, which is another project that I'm big on. I've also fell behind on some Clearcryptos because, just recent events and stuff that happened. But Clearcryptos YouTube channel has been booming. Like, I think they've uploaded over like 130 videos so far in the past, like, I mean, how long has this channel even been out? In the past 3 weeks, they've uploaded 130 videos. And the reason why I like this, like, their whole idea for this channel is to have a bunch of influencers, a bunch of just content creators, to pretty much come on this YouTube channel, this platform, the official Clearcryptos YouTube channel, share the knowledge, share the just like tips, advice, everything, especially for people who are just now coming into crypto, who don't know too much about crypto. What's going on? Go Magic Carp. What's going on, brother? Clearcryptos is giving people a platform to feel welcome, to feel safe, to also just gain more knowledge when it comes to investing. And I feel like this is a pretty cool idea. I like this idea. All right. Got all the influencers up here. I'm sure some of y'all know a good amount of these influencers. They're pretty well known. I know dang near all of them. And yeah, like even some of the videos I'll even show y'all right here. like some of the last videos. Even my man, look at my man Zach Humphreys is literally he just made a video 22 minutes ago talking about the CPI data report, and he's uploading it. He uploaded it on the Clearcryptos YouTube channel, right? And they talk about like Web 2, Web 3, what's the difference, illiquidity. They talk about they have like Q&As and stuff. Like live Q&As. They have they break down what Clearcryptos is, but they also break down just other things that people should know when it comes to being in crypto. So again, shout out to Clearcryptos. I'm already loving what they're doing right now. This token still hasn't launched. Keep in mind, this token still hasn't launched yet. So I'm definitely hoping I have a big bag of Ethereum on the side by the time that they do launch, because I already see what they're like, what they're trying to do with this project, and I feel like it can be a pretty big, just helping hand, and not only helping hand, but like actually raising the bar and just changing crypto in a more positive and just solid way for crypto space in general. My man Lil Diane said Hobbs and Justin gonna go live on Clearcryptos channel in a little bit. We next. and a real talk, like I was supposed to be like on the Clearcryptos, just like I guess team or whatever you want to call it. But like I said before, some things just randomly happened, with me in my life. So that kind of just made me kind of fall back a little bit. And right now I'm just trying to ease my way back into crypto in general. But regardless of me being on Clearcryptos team or me just covering it or whatever the case may be, I feel like this project is definitely one to keep an eye on. Like I said on this Twitter post right here. Oh yeah, also let me talk about this too. I thought this was pretty cool. Tether, right? So they didn't specifically say who exactly. They didn't say like it was a Tether CEO or this, that, or third. But they said hashtag Tether has labeled Ethereum's transition from proof of work, POW, algorithm to proof of stake, which is POW, as the most significant moment in blockchain history. Of course, when it comes to Ethereum 2 or Ethereum 2.0, Ethereum's new update, whatever you want to call it, that's one of the biggest things that people are looking forward to. A lot of people feel like that's going to be a bullish moment in crypto in general, because Ethereum already being the number 1, 2 biggest crypto in the world, being a top dog, for it to get it like the biggest updates ever, that's something that people are looking forward to. I'm definitely looking forward to it. I already have some Ethereum that's being like staked for my Ethereum 2 or Ethereum 2.0. So yeah, I feel like this is kind of a given. People already know this, but I feel like this is just a refreshing article to kind of remind us how important this Ethereum will flip. Hey, remember you talking about grandpa? Remember you talking about grandfather Bitcoin, man? Hey, real talk though, like Ethereum, like I've even thought about that too. Like if Ethereum could flip Bitcoin, like but somebody said this. I don't know who said this, but somebody was saying like it's always a father's goal to make sure that his son grows up to be a better man than him. And I feel like that's the same through a Bitcoin. Like Bitcoin was the first Bitcoin, obviously. It paved the way for a bunch of other just like DeFi projects, other cryptocurrencies, a lot of just things in general. And now, if Ethereum, imagine Ethereum 2.0 coming out and it's just that incredible, just that much more incredible and stuff. Which don't get me wrong, Bitcoin is always going to be the grandfather, of all the cryptos. But if Ethereum comes out and Ethereum is just changing the game with its updates, and it was to either get close to a market cap of Bitcoin, or dare I say flip it? I don't know. That would be like I'm hoping to be around for that moment, and I plan on being around for that moment. But that would be an extravagant, just huge, just breathtaking moment, I feel like, in crypto to see. But another reason why I want to stock up on my Ethereum. He says, so true. It says it's faster, cheaper, and more innovative. I mean, yeah, Ethereum is all of that when it comes to Bitcoin, but there is some other projects that I feel like blow Ethereum out of the water. But I feel like that's one of the reasons why Ethereum always gets delayed. I feel like, 'cause if you think about it, Ethereum's 2.0 update's been getting delayed for like, I believe, years. And I feel like that's like one of the reasons why they delayed it so much is because, and even how Vitalik Buterin, I feel like how he's one of those people who think like, you know what, I feel like there's something else I can change and upgrade to make it even more better. So that's why we get all the delays and stuff. But I don't know, Ethereum, that's one of the main things I'm looking forward to for sure. It says very bullish take, but I see the vision. Yeah. It says, what's up, everyone? Ethereum is a giant. Most of crypto is built on Ethereum. Exactly. What's going on, BK Crypto? He says, yeah, for sure, Bitcoin isn't going anywhere. It'll always have its worth. True. Is there any BTFA updates? Yeah, we did the BTFA updates, but I would go over them again since they were pretty awesome and pretty just straightforward. First off, the BTFA team announced that they did a buyback, a $15,000 buyback to bring up the price. Reason being is because last night there was like a whale who sold, and then there was like a domino effect of like a few sales that happened. But the BTFA team, they woke up, they announced at like 7:40 a.m., so like an hour ago. They ended up doing like a $15,000 buy, and then there was a few other like buys from the community of people just buying to like bring the price back up. So like I was saying before, when you're in a project and you see like a sell off, especially like a nice sell off that creates a red candle like this, one of the main things that a lot of people I feel like worry about is how long is this red candle going to be, and when is the price going to start going back up. When it comes to BTFA, they didn't waste no time. They did a huge buyback as soon as they could, so that's already a positive. I feel like when you invested in projects, you want to be into a project where, if it's sell-offs, especially sell-offs like this that are this big that's happening, you want to make sure the team already has the proper just plans and mechanisms to get the price back up and get things going. And that's what they did. Like I said, the price went from 5036 all the way to 5051. And at the same time, I just did a live stream yesterday talking about all the BTFA updates. They got a ton of partnerships, collaborations, exchange listings to come out. They still got the tier 1 exchange listing they're talking about. The NFTs, they come out with like a new NFT collection, which is going to have a bunch of proceeds that go out to either pumping BTFA, just going into just a bunch of just development in general. So BTFA overall has a bunch of other things. Like I said before, I pretty much went over the majority of all the main important updates and stuff for BTFA yesterday. If you want to check that out, it's probably like an hour-long stream or something like that, but I was definitely making it as simple and straightforward as I could. And then also they ended up burning 600 NFTs, right? They ended up burning 600 NFTs. Was I able to see that? Yeah, you was able to see that. Yeah, so they sent 600 BTFA NFTs to the burn wallet, which is going to help pretty much just drive up the value and just rarity of the NFTs in general. And they swept the NFT floor price from 0.03 to 0.08 on OpenSea. So they pretty much damn near tripled the floor price this morning, right? So, and they've pretty much spoken on this, and they weren't just blowing smoke up our butts. They was literally doing, they literally did what they said what they was going to do. So shout out to BTFA. But again, keep in mind, a lot more stuff to come for BTFA. So stay tuned for that. I know Sway dropped some alpha up in the Telegram yesterday, but he only showed Crypto Empress, and from the looks of it, whatever it was, she was over there like spazzing out. She was over there hyped. So again, I'm not too worried about BTFA. BTFA is like the main project I could fall asleep and not worry about like losing no money or nothing like that. And the fact that the team is so transparent, they already let y'all know what's going on, but like, in front of the scenes. But even being behind the scenes, it's a lot of stuff going on for sure. So we just gotta wait and just be patient, see what's going on. But again, the overall market is looking pretty nice. Let me go back to CoinGecko. Bitcoin is at 24,000. Ethereum is at 1,840. Gosh, oh my God, bro. I just had like 10. No, I had like 12 Ethereum like 2 weeks ago. I had like 12 Ethereum 2 weeks ago, and that was when Ethereum was like, I think at like 1,000 or like 1,100 or something like that. Like, damn, I wish I would have just held on to those Ethereums, but it is what it is. I plan on getting some more, so I'm not tripping. See, it's been a couple years. There's a buy contest next. Oh yeah, there's also a buy contest going on for the next 48 hours. Appreciate you, Inc. Anybody who has like the biggest buys for BTFA token, you will be able to win, or you won't even be able to, but if you have like officially the biggest buy, the biggest buy, you will win a BTFA honorary NFT, courtesy of my man, what's his name, Digital Wealth. This is his, did he post this already? No, he didn't post it yet. I had to eat breakfast. My stomach is literally growling right now. But yeah, biggest BTFA buy in the next 2 days will win a banana TFA honorary NFT. The last honorary BTFA NFT I've seen that sold for 10 Ethereum, and that was the one with the bag over his head. I'm not saying that that's going to be the exact amount that this one can sell for. This one is actually going for like 4 Ethereum, but of course, if you do win this one, you can pretty much change the price to whatever you want to. But yeah. If anybody is interested in winning an honorary BTFA NFT, which these aren't easy to come by, then the next biggest buy in the next 2 days, you will have a chance to win it. So good luck to everybody participating in that. It's a time to slide an Empress DM. She saw the second collection. Yeah. That's exactly what she did. She saw like the second BTFA collection, which is called the Genesis collection. I'm looking forward to that. Said they should have done it for a week. Buy Monday, got to re-up. True, that is true. Should have done it for like a week, but he might have made it 2 days just to try to hurry up and get the buys in now to help pump the price back up because of the sale that happened last night. But again, the team already jumped on that. So, but other than that, y'all, I wanted to do a quick update on BTFA, the overall market. What else? Yeah, BTFA overall market, Bitcoin, Ethereum, the CPI report. Again, Clearcryptos as well. Again, like I said before, y'all, make sure y'all not out here just chasing some green candles. I know right now it's looking like the overall market is doing a little pump right now, but keep in mind this is just it hasn't even been a day yet. It hasn't even been 10 hours. It hasn't even been 5 hours yet. So me personally, I'm a sit on the sideline. I'm gonna continue watching the market, continue to see how the market reacts to the CPI report, but also the other millions of other things going on when it comes to crypto, stock, overall just economy, everything. So yeah. Other than that, thank y'all for tuning in. My man said BlackRock teaming up with Coinbase. Also, BlackRock has their hands in everything. Damn. There was some news about Coinbase. It was something going on with Coinbase recently that kind of caused a sell-off or a panic, I would say, in the market. But at this point, the market's just looking pretty good right now. A lot of people are looking pretty hyped and bullish right now. But like I said before, I'm gonna sit back and check it out. But yeah, other than that, thank y'all for tuning in. Be safe in real life. Be safe in the crypto space. I plan on uploading some videos today, or I might even do another live stream later today because it's already 9 in the morning. It's pretty early. I'm more of a night owl, so I stream late at night or either around dinner time. But other than that, y'all, I'll catch y'all soon. Peace out. Man, I should have. Ethereum at 1,800, baby. 1,800. Gotta get my Ethereum back. God damn. Yo, peace and love, everybody.